Field Service Supervisor here at Kadant. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install a bushing and a lip seal on a CorrPro head. You're going to need a punch and a hammer and a screwdriver or some type of hook or a pick. There's 2 holes located on each side, and that is so you can break the carbon seal. So you may need to use a chisel from the top and kind of come from each side, like so. And then once you've broken it up into some pieces, try and get this lip seal out. So now that I have all the carbon out, take the Scotch-Brite pad or something similar, and you want to make sure this is all nice and clean, so when you install the next one, there's nothing in here. In order to do this correctly, you're going to have to heat this up to about 400 degrees, and you're going to need a press. Alright, so I'll keep this up for a couple minutes. I take this carbon. So you want to do this until the carbon bottoms out. Take the lip seal and this side with the more metal face on it, get it in there nice and flat, and then press this in as well. I'm Andy Corcoran, and that's your pro tip of the day.
Thank you.